Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan here in this video, and today what I got going on coming up for you guys, we're going to unbox some sneakers, we're going to discuss Solefly getting exposed to the backdoor, a few other things like that. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If you want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. We're really going to hop straight into it. Like goal, I'll just say 350. Let's try and hit that on this video. That'd be great. Each like kind of counts with getting the channel out there, more engagement, things like that. So it'd mean the world to me. And also down below, if you guys would check out my cook group coming soon on Twitter and Instagram, HypeLabCG. Stay tuned for that. Go give that a follow. We almost got like 500 followers in a week on the Instagram, which is awesome. Got a lot coming up there for you guys. We're going to have free Echo for our members, so basically people running bots for you guys. It's not going to cost you anything aside from the monthly fee. Bot supports, if you're trying to learn how to run your bot better, we'll have people that can help you out with that. We'll have, we got a bunch of discounts, and different things that you may need. We will have some variety, again, of brick links, so you'll be able to figure out how to, flip sneakers that normally wouldn't be profitable, and a wide variety of other things. Just go check my recent Instagram post on that page. It'll definitely help you out with learning kind of more about the details, what we'll have. It's good. There's a lot of stuff, early info, all that. So if you guys want more content like this, again, stay tuned and let's just kind of get into it. So the first sneaker I want to unbox for you guys right here before we kind of get into discussing again how Solefly got exposed for the backdoor. It's pretty bad, but the first one I kind of want to unbox for you guys right here is the Yeezy Turtle Dove 2022, and just kind of show you all this in hand. Very similar to the original version. Pretty much identical. You guys can see the colorway, no difference right there. Kind of that nice little turtle dove one we got. And I really like how it goes all around. Again, it's just a nice little pattern around the sneaker, and it really stands out. That's one thing. I got a trade deal going on for this shoe, and it really stands out. There's kind of the sole of it, again, kind of that OG 350 thing pattern. It's just right there on the sole. Nothing really too crazy. I don't need to over explain it, but overall a pretty simple sneaker, but a very valuable one at the same time. It goes for like $470, $450 in this size. I'm sure they're rising. I should have sold them when they were at $630, but again, I got a good deal going for them, so I'm not really too concerned about it. But I agreed to the deal beforehand as well. So when you agree to the deal, you got to follow through with it no matter what. That's really an important part of being a reseller, in my opinion, or selling anything. You just got to make sure you stick with your deals. And then also, of course, you got this inside portion right here with the Adidas logo right there. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. It's right. Maybe you'll be able to see it. I'm not too sure, but overall, that's really all I want to show you guys. Just the tags in it as well. Very kind of simple pair, but crazy valuable one. Shout out to Adidas Confirmed for letting me hit. I'm very grateful about that, and I'm happy because I hadn't hit and confirmed. I'm talking months. Like, I never really focus on confirmed. I just don't pay a lot of attention to it, but I'm definitely going to start paying more attention after hitting this, making some more accounts. Definitely going to try and do something like that. So first things first, Adidas Confirmed right there. We got a nice little Yeezy Turtle Dove 350 straight from there. So pretty nice pair. Overall, happy about getting this. Good deal going for it so far. So that's the first one I'll show you guys. The next one, I'm very excited to show all the details and everything you got in this one. I'll go definitely into a lot more detail on this next one, but overall, simple but valuable. And Adidas doesn't need any approval for those restocks from Kanye, I guess, now that we know. So they did this. But starting the screen recording right now, again, here's my Instagrams and actually the cook group's information. Just again, go check this out down below. Give it a follow. Stay tuned on this recent post. This is the one kind of with all the info we will provide and have. So again, the backdoors are going to be very useful. We got someone very connected for that. So again, stay tuned. Same with the brick links. I feel like brick links and our ACO are going to be two of the kind of big things that will help you guys out, a lot, considerably. So I guess kind of going into this and discussing the backdoor right here, you guys can see this page right here, Data Ass Kicks. Shout out him. He got this post right here basically going where he's like, hey, I was able to take some nice pictures, and this is at the Solefly store and location, I'm guessing, right out the back. And they got exposed pretty heavily for, just, a bunch of pairs out the back. Here's a stack of reverse mochas. They're talking about it, trading them right here. And apparently this was to summon in like a white Lamborghini or something like that. So, with backdooring going on, I don't consider, backdooring is definitely an effect on people trying to get regular pairs, especially, these raffle locations. I do think backdooring is a problem when it's at these stores where, it's supposed to be raffled off to people. I feel like it's a problem at locations like this, Solefly, places like that, because the backdoor goes way beyond just, your local little places that raffle on sneakers. It goes to within these companies and things like that. And that's where the backdoor really happens. So this is just a little part about it. This isn't the major, portion of it, just to say. So kind of looking at this, do I have a problem with this? A little bit. Again, as someone that participates in the backdoor, I feel like it would be a bit ironic for me to come out here and say, oh, this is crazy, I can't believe somebody's doing this, when again, in the group I got coming up, we're going to provide something like this. So I can't really say too much, but looking at this is wild. This is crazy. 300 pairs from just to one person. I think that is a little bit, much to say the least, unless this person may run a group or something of some sorts. I'm not sure really what is going on here or who the person is that received the pairs. There's no details really on that. I would show the post or picture where the Solefly owner actually reached out to somebody and was like, hey, this never happened. I don't know what you're talking about. I had no involvement in this or anything like that. I thought that was pretty funny. They were asking the person, somebody posted about this aside from, the basic two ones I'm showing here from Plugged In IO and, Data's Kicks. Somebody posted about, the backdoor, and the owner actually reached out and said, can you take this down? Which I thought's pretty funny. The owner's like, oh, damage control. Got to do that now. Just backdoored my 300 pairs, made my, 100 grand plus, time to, deny everything. It's just funny. I mean, he racked up some serious cash off this backdoor. Zero doubt about that. Zero. But yeah, you guys can see everyone's pretty much caught nice and 4K. I mean, you got to do it better than this. Let's be real. What is with these, people doing these big backdoors, having big connects and being like, you know what? Let's be careless about it. Let's just do it out in the open where we can get robbed, where people can see us. Where people know the location. Yeah, you know what's really smart? Let's do it right by the store. Like, yeah, you know what? Nobody will think of coming and stopping by after everybody takes raffle L's, and nobody wins. Nobody shows wins of a Solefly dub. And then people show up to the store and then they see this. You know what I mean? Like, how can the owner deny it? Like, I just think that's crazy. Like, you got to be just kind of unaware, if you understand what I'm saying. Like, how can you do this at the store? Like, you're not even smart about it. It's just, I don't know. I found that was pretty wild. But seeing this, yeah, alleged employee. I don't know why everybody's saying alleged. I mean, I get it. You got to protect yourself and say alleged online. But, I mean, I feel like this is pretty unalleged. I mean, I feel like this is pretty obvious. I mean, if we went to the store location and it looked just like this, these are all guys trading pairs of these right outside it. I mean, let's be real. We don't have to, say that. We can just be like, hey, they're right here. They're backdooring. It's very obvious. So that's all I got to say. I don't feel like it's, again, me personally on this issue, what I think. All to one person, yeah, I do think it's a problem. I do feel like stores should be more fair. The backdooring issue doesn't just like start here. So if it was to stop here and raffle locations actually were to, start being honest, there would still be a lot of people backdooring because not every location is going to be honest. Let's be real. And if Solefly, only started, if Solefly started being honest is what I'm saying, and, raffling off all 300 of those pairs, it wouldn't have too much of an effect on the market. Let's be real. Those people that got real connects are going to get them regardless. That's just how it is. So that's everything I need to say. That's kind of my thoughts on it. Let me know what you think down below. And I didn't even show you all this extra pair I was going to show you guys right here. So I'm just going to keep the screen recording running so I can, just head into it on the outro. But the one pair I want to show you guys right here is size 12. Got some Phillies SBs. Here's the box tag and all that, so you guys can see right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. But let me show you all the details on this shoe. I love this one. So we got obviously all the suede kind of going around the sneaker by the heel right here and also all around the toe box. You can see that goes right there, kind of that lighter blue. Big fan of that. Also kind of with this maroon swoosh, a little bit of that right there. And then of course with that nice kind of sole that we got right there and the gum on it. That's on the other one, not this one. But one part I want to show you guys right here, aside from, the nice little insole we got right there with kind of the red Nike text, you may be able to see that. Actually, on the inside right here on the tongue, you guys can see the Philly cheesesteak that's right there in the sneakers. Small little detail, thought it was nice. These have actually been making some amazing progress since release day. Size 12 it dipped to 260, it was at 260, then it dipped down to like 230, 220, and now it's back up at 290, 300. So our SB's in demand right now. Absolutely, zero doubt about that. And let me show you guys, guys, the other pair we got also again that is right here. Of course, the gum on the bottom right there of the other sneaker, the maroon in the center, and then the other colorway that we got going all across the sole. Of course, maroon swoosh on the inside and on the outside. The back Nike heel right there, very clean, well done, embroidered nicely. And then of course the Liberty Bell that we got right there. So you can see two different kind of designs on the inside of the tongue. Overall, I think this is a nice SB. You guys could wear this pretty much anywhere. I think that would work. It's not really like one of those hard pairs that's gonna be difficult to style. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to mention. Just gonna, put these back in the box and move these over here. But yeah, if you guys want more content like this, again, check the screen recording I got going on right here and subscribe and like down below. Check the Instagrams, of course, in the page. I remember now that I said, I think the like goal was like 300. I think I said 350. So if you could do that, that'd be great. Again, a little bit more than usual, but it just helps the channel engagement, getting videos out there. It really helps me out, so I'd appreciate that. And again, check these pages out down below. We are going to have a lot for you guys, really help you all out. Just stay tuned. HypeLab CG. We're about to hit 500 on the Instagram, which is dope. We've been running some stuff, you know, trying to get it up. So that's been important to us. All of you guys, not all of you guys, but a lot of you all have been asking us, you know, kind of questions through DM. We've been answering them and really trying to provide everything you guys would need. So that's everything I will say right there. I'm Tristan. Check out my Instagram. Check out my groups coming soon, or my group, not groups, but check out the pages for it. And that's it. So I'm Tristan. Ending that. And hopefully I will catch y'all soon in the next video. And I will not mess up here speaking in the outro. Peace.